Hello friend, welcome back to my YouTube channel Learn English with Nisha. So friend, let's begin this video. Friend, if you want to speak English, if you want to learn English, but you are worried about your environment, you don't have English environment. So I will say your worriness is right. For learning a language, we should have environment. You know, see in our childhood how we learnt our mother tongue, because we had our environment and we used to listen. By listening we observed, we learned vocab, sentences, and we that's how we learnt our mother tongue. So in case of learning a language, we should have environment. It doesn't matter which language you are going to learn, whether it is English or some other language, but you should have environments matter a lot. So my dear friend, if you are worried about it, so you know don't worry. I am here to tell you how you can create English environment. See, we live in India and our national language is Hindi, but our mother tongue is different. We all have different mother tongue. So, my dear friend, it is not possible to get English environment here. In city area, if I talk about city area, so there people they use words, sentences in English, not that much, but little bit. And in village area, people they don't use even any word. So in this way we in both condition, in both city and village, we don't have 100% environment of English, because we live in India and English is not our mother tongue, so we cannot get English environment, proper English environment. So, irrespective of thinking and worry about it, I don't have English environment, but I want to speak English. How I can speak? You should think how you can create English environment. See, in case of me, I live at village. I belong to village, but now I'm able to speak English. How? you know i I created English environment. I create English environment. I don't have English environment. Nobody speaks at my home around me. Everybody speaks in Bhojpuri, but I created environment for me, and that's how I learned, and now I'm able to speak, and every day I create English environment. So my dear friend, it is not difficult. It is not difficult, but it is not easy to, but you can create English environment. How? Just you should have a smartphone. If you have a smartphone, just you can think that your problem are solved. If you have a smartphone, then you can create English environment, and that's how you can learn English, you can speak English. My dear friend, you don't need to change outer world and your family and society. You don't have to say to them that speak in English, speak with me in English. No, just you need to change your insider world, and you have to create an environment inside you. How you can create? you know by listening, by reading, by speaking, and by writing. Yes, my dear friend, by four things you can create English environment, and this English environment will help you to learn and speak this language. I also created same way, and that environment helped me. I know we cannot create for 24 hour, but we can create for some hour, and that's how that A 1 to 3 hour environment will help us to learn this language, to speak this language gradually. So my dear friend, you know, if you don't have environment, you don't think about it. You don't have environment because we live in India and we cannot get 100% environment. We have to create. How we can create? By listening, by reading, speaking and writing. And just you have to do, no matter how many times you have, just you have to create English environment each and every day for your speaking, for your for learning this language. And in this way you can create English environment and learn this language and speak this language. In case of me, that's how I created and learned this language. And every day I create English environment, and I do speaking practice, reading, writing, listening. And for couple of hours I create English environment, and that's how I learn this language and am able to speak. So my dear friend, instead of worry about it and feeling bad, that you are from village or you don't have environment, you should think how you can create. Because who lives in city and village, it doesn't matter. In case of cities people, they use only words and some sentences, or they also don't have a proper English environment. And in case of us, so is irrespective of thinking like this and feeling bad and demotivation, just create English environments in this way and start learning. Definitely you will speak this language. So I hope you like this video. If you like, then like, subscribe and share. Bye bye, we will meet in next video.